Cryptocurrency is having a notable impact on the world's financial
We
market.
heard about is Bitcoin. It's been all over the news because last year its value
We
exploded.
see Bitcoin the last couple of days since the Super Bowl really start to rise.
Crypto finance company breaking news on a new $110 million funding round, pushing its market valuation to nearly $3 billion.
Welcome back to Clockwise Crypto, where we help you move forward towards financial freedom with crypto assets. Now, you heard the video. You saw the intro, beast intro, made by my man Raj, but it's true. People are super bullish. They're super optimistic. They see the future of cryptocurrency. It's happening, guys. It's happening. No matter how you want to look at it, no matter what you believe, no matter what your parents believe, no matter what your grandparents believe, your cousins, your siblings, your kids, whatever, no matter what anyone else believes, this is happening. And everyone has an opportunity to take advantage of this revolutionary wealth. Looking at the markets a couple days back, this is what we saw. We see this here, 40,400, 2,900 Ethereum. And, this is what we saw a couple days ago. And this is all discounted. The reason why you know that this is happening, it's on the news. That's the reason why you know it's happening. Banks are talking about it and making trading desks and trying to figure out how they can position themselves to get into the crypto market. They're trying to figure out how can we get in and not lose our customers? How can we get in and profit, right? So we see this all happening. And the reason why it's so important to pay attention is because back in 2017, this wasn't being talked about. This was being said, stay away from it, scam. Then all of a sudden, people started realizing, aka banks started realizing how they were, they had to adapt. Other countries were adapting it left and right, or even now are adapting it left and right. And these countries are not necessarily anywhere close to where United States is when it comes to economic development, when it comes to opportunity. There's a reason why people come to United States. There's a reason why, people risk their lives to come here. And you see other countries adopting this new technology, and United States is just like, yeah, it's a scam. But then you see a legitimate country actually make legislation on it that didn't ban it, but just made legislation around it to kind of monitor it. It shows that it's coming. It's all coming. And you have an opportunity to take advantage of this financial shift that we talk about here at Clockwise Crypto. And so what we're going to see here is continued news coverage. We're going to see new tech. Cardano is going to be around. We know the projects that are going to be around at this point, right? We know that Bitcoin's not going anywhere. We know that Ethereum's not going anywhere, and we'll continue to see thousands upon thousands of new cryptos come. Right now, even the 19,041 cryptocurrencies that are out right now, and those are only ones that are on CoinMarketCap. So that are out right now, and we see Bitcoin dominance at 41%. We see Ethereum dominance at 19%. We're going to see a massive shift when it comes to accessibility, when it comes to accessibility in the sense of affordable prices for people to take positions in. These prices are not going to be around. These prices are not going to be around in the next couple years. It's going to be hard to even get a fraction of a Bitcoin. It's going to be hard to even get a fraction of an Ethereum. Okay? Most people are not even going to be able to afford 0.28 Bitcoin. Wrap that around your head. 0.28. We're not even talking about a full one. 0.28. So with that being said, we must take advantage of this opportunity. And the reason why that this is going to be something big is when you start seeing the banks get involved. So pay attention to how the big money is reacting to the space. And I'm trying to remind you that, we did hear people like Warren Buffett and, even Mark Cuban at some point say, oh, stay away, it's a scam, it's a scam. And I don't think Warren Buffett changed his position, but Mark Cuban definitely changed his position with education. So that's kind of where we're reminded to do your own research, make decisions for yourself, because when you do that, you will be able to reap the benefits, because sometimes that means going against the masses. Everyone, how many people are not ever coming to crypto because of what Warren Buffett said? And Warren Buffett, who's notoriously known as being a poor tech investor. When he said that against Bitcoin, that's an entire, I wouldn't just say following, but, an entire, I would say, generation of people who will never enter the crypto market because of that statement. So the importance of doing your own research and thinking for yourself, because if you really think about it, Warren Buffett's already made his billions. He's already a billionaire. Okay? So once you understand that and see that, okay, Warren Buffett's already a billionaire, and I'm supposed to think that he has my best financial interests at heart. He knows, of course you can, his track record for stocks, his track record, managing a fund and finding undervalued companies and making good business decisions is unmatched, right? But when it comes to tech, he's notoriously known as being a poor tech investor. So with that being said, I think, we have to think open-minded and not just say, oh, Warren Buffett said it. He knows more than me. And, now, I'm never going to touch it. He's right. But just remember, dude's already made his billions, all right? He's already made his billions. He's not a tech investor. And third point, he already made his billions. You have an opportunity to create generational wealth and be able to impact generations for yourself and your family through crypto assets. Please take a look at this. Take a look at the tech. Take a look at the tokenomics. Take a look at the history of crypto. Where are we at to this point? Because to be honest with you, we're still early. I know people don't like to say that, but we're still early. So take a look at that. And just wanted to get on real quick and share that wisdom with you. Hope you guys have a good Sunday, and I'll see you soon.